Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are in Milpitas, California at the Lego Discovery Center. We're excited. So today we're here at the Legoland Discovery Center to celebrate the Play Unstoppable Festival. Gonna be some cool stuff going on. They have some fun activities. Let's check it out. What are we doing?
We're making that move. We should make like a...
What are you making, Grant?
It goes up. All it needs to go mouth and feet, and it's complete.
What is it?
A butterfly.
Butterfly.
A fire dinosaur.
Hi. We're all ready for the 4D adventure. Are you ready? Yeah? Now, one of the cool things about any of the Legoland Discovery Centers is they have miniatures of whatever city you're in. We went to the one in Texas, they had a miniature Dallas, they had a miniature Fort Worth, they had all that kind of stuff. Here they have miniature San Jose, they have miniature San Francisco, miniature Oakland, and they have little games that you can play where you have to try to find certain minifigures around. Tonight they have one for the event. Let's see if we can find them.
Pink, white, and light blue.
Pink, white, and light blue. I am brave.
Green and yellow.
Green and yellow.
Blue and purple.
Blue and purple.
But far enough, you find orange and red.
Orange and red. Top of the road, right in there. Now, what's fun about Legos is you can take something as simple as a Lego brick and then put it down, get another one, add it to it, get another one, add it to it, and soon you have something amazing. Aquaman's here to save the day. the Lego version of the Winchester Mystery House. Thank you for coming with us to the Legoland Discovery Center here in Milpitas, California. We'll catch you next time.